Navigating through the enchanted lands. The sun begins to set over the enchanted forest. A werewolf named Leo, with a confused expression, tries to make his way through the dense forest but seems lost.
Darn it. I should never have accepted that invitation to the Monster Club dinner.
Suddenly, a strange figure emerges from the shadows. It's a small gnome, but with a big personality named Guto.
Hey there, buddy. Looks like you could use a helping hand.
Finally! I'm completely lost in this forest. I need to get to the Monster Club dinner before the full moon shows up.
The full moon. Always complicating things for you, werewolf. But don't worry. I know how to navigate these enchanted lands like the back of my hand.
Navigating through the enchanted lands. Guto and Leo start venturing through the forest. Guto points to a winding trail that opens up ahead of them.
Look here, Leo. Here's the safest path to cross the forest. Watch out for the magical plants. They can play tricks on your mind.
Magical plants? That's new to me.
Yes, they love to play pranks on unsuspecting travelers. But with me by your side, you don't need to worry.
As they continue their journey, they come across a bubbling river blocking their path.
How are we going to cross this?
Oh, don't worry. Let's make some music to calm the waters.
They both start playing a cheerful melody. Surprisingly, the river waters calm down, creating a safe path for them to cross. As they finally reach the end of the forest, they spot the lights of the Monster Club in the distance.
Amazing! I wouldn't have made it without you, Guto. Thanks for helping me cross this crazy forest.
It was nothing, buddy. That's what friends are for, right?
Well, I guess it's time for me to rush to the dinner. Hope to see you there.
Sure thing. Good luck with the dinner, Leo. And remember, if you need more help, I'll be around.
Leo transforms into his wolf form and runs toward the Monster Club, while Guto waves to him before disappearing into the forest.